Welcome to my channel. Please watch this video. A gemstone legacy in Malawi, nestled in the rolling hills of Ntcheu District, Chimwadzulu Mine stands as one of Africa's historical gemstone treasures. Its legacy traces back to the early 20th century when a government geologist first documented Corundum in 1918, a milestone recorded in the Handbook of Nyasaland. Today, the mine is operated by Mwalawanga Mining Limited and strategically located at Katsekera, Mpando, just 220 kilometers from Malawi's capital Lilongwe and only 80 kilometers from the Mozambique border. Chimwadzulu Hill is best known for its sapphire deposit, yet its greatest allure lies in the rubies, the king of gemstones, along with rare padparadscha sapphires that emerge as valuable bonuses. Corundum from the area ranked at 9 on the Mohs hardness scale displays a dazzling spectrum of colors. The mine produces more than 16 shades of fancy sapphires in free clarity grays, with rubies reaching up to 7 carats. The largest recorded ruby from Chimwadzulu weighed an impressive 15 carats. Despite this remarkable history, only about 15% of the deposit has been mined to date, leaving vast reserves still untapped. What makes Chimwadzulu particularly compelling is the exceptional quality of its rubies. Malawi stones rival the coveted Mohs rubies, with prices ranging from $200 to over $100 million per carat. Sapphires, especially rare varieties such as Katsekera and padparadscha, can command up to $200,000 per carat. This positions Malawi as a potential contender in the lucrative global gemstones market, where hubs like Dubai, Thailand, China, and India dominate trading. By unlocking access to these markets, Malawi could be into significant new revenue streams. The mine also holds strategic national significance. The government of Malawi maintains a free equity stake of 10 to 15%, ensuring that the project's success directly benefits the nation. With improved grading, certification, and appraisal systems, Chimwadzulu could elevate its global credibility, attract various investments, and substantially increase foreign exchange earnings. Transparency and adherence to international quality standards will be critical to commanding premium prices and positioning Malawi as a trusted source of the fine gemstone. Chimwadzulu rubies are distinguished by their orangish, red to pure red hues, often free of silky inclusions and notably requiring no heat treatment. Previously marketed as Nyala rubies, a name inspired by the rare Nyala antelope native to the region, these untreated gems have gained recognition among collectors and jewelry enthusiasts seeking unique, ethically sourced stones. Their natural beauty and finesse make them a notable addition to the global gemstone portfolio. Although Mozambique currently supplies about 80% of all these rubies, highlighted by a record-breaking 11-gram specimen that sold for $34 million in 2023, Malawi's Chimwadzulu Mine holds a significant untapped potential. With its history, unique gemstone profile, and alignment with national development priorities, Chimwadzulu poised to measure as a beacon of Malawi's mining future and a proud contributor to the country's economic transformation. This is good news to the Malawi, because when you're looking at Malawi, we are seeing that it is a country which has got the potential of development if we only use our resources properly. But this has been a challenge in the country of Malawi, because most of the times government has been failing to make good use of its minerals. Up to now, the nation of Malawi is struggling with poverty, and many Malawians are poor. They don't know what they can do in order to end the poverty, despite many promises that the government has been making regarding the strong need to end the poverty of Malawians. But little is being done to ensure that indeed poverty in Malawi becomes the only story. Many Malawians are unable to get whatever they need for their daily living. But we have all these minerals which are untapped, which if they can be tapped, the Malawi's economy can greatly improve and the living standard in Malawi will improve. But it is very sad to see that this remains just a dream, yet we can transform and greatly become a rich nation if our resources are properly used to benefit Malawians. Why the government of Malawi is failing to make good use of the resources which we have? What is the problem that we still today are a begging nation instead of us making great use of our minerals and resources so that Malawians can really smile? It is very sad in the country of Malawi to see that many young people are still finding it difficult to get jobs. They are working very hard in order to become good citizens, but whenever they go out, they are looking for the jobs. There is no job available. So this is increasing their poverty, and it's very sad indeed in the nation of Malawi. But the government can tell Malawians what is the problem that we are unable to utilize our resources so that they can benefit all Malawians. Should we wait up until when we should see the great benefit that can emanate from the proper use of our resources to benefit all Malawians? It should not remain just a mere talk to promise Malawians about the best future when you know that it is impossible for you to make use of our resources to benefit Malawians. Government, you can do something that can help to change the life of Malawians by making sure that you are walking the talk and Malawians are smiling because of your hard working. Thank you for watching this video. Come back with another video. Have a very good day. Bye bye.